everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video we will be learning how to delete friends in Evony the King's Return game. If you want to delete friends on Evony, then here is how you do it. Launch open the Evony game on your device, and once you're inside this page, go to the bottom right and tap the three dots. Now select the Friends tab. Under Friends, choose the friend you want to delete from your friend list. Tap on their name or profile avatar. In the info section, go to the upper right corner and tap the two human icon. And then go ahead and select delete. You'll need to confirm that you'd like to delete the person from your friend list by tapping delete once again. And after you do that, you will be able to delete your friend or delete someone from your friend list. So that's it. Your list will then be cleared and cleaned up and easier to manage. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.